All right, we're going to go through some of the basic operations and the valves and controls of your Canadian Spa Company hot tub. The first valve we're going to take a look at here is the waterfall control. This is a three-pronged valve like this, and what this does is actually control to allow you to turn off and turn on the waterfall inside the tub. So I'm going to put just one on, which is what you'll see for the waterfall. You see, rotate it counterclockwise, turn on the waterfall, and then rotate it clockwise, turns it off. Much more apparent on high speed, and you can really adjust the waterfall to the flow that you'd like. Okay, that's the waterfall control. The next valve I want to talk about here is the air controls. These inject air into the system when you turn on the control itself. So, as you can see right now, the jets, turn them on high. These jets are controlled, these specific jets in this area are controlled by this air control. When it's off, you've only got the water pressure coming through the jets. When you turn it on, by rotating it, you see it injects air into the system. Air helps to exfoliate the skin, makes air bubbles mix into the water, and increases the pressure inside the tub. So you get a nice hypothermic massage. So turning that off doesn't inject air, and it leaves just the water stream to give you more of a water massage. You've got a couple of these air controls located throughout the tub. You've got one here to do these jets, that one over there to do those jets, and this one over here to do those jets. Okay, so that's the air control. The next one I want to take a look at here is the aromatherapy. This is a threaded top that's got nothing on the top. And the way this works is by opening up your scented beads, which come in canister here with your spa package. Smell good. You put these inside of the aromatherapy canister here. Make sure you've got your O-ring, your rubber O-ring seal on top. And when you put this on, you want to screw it down, but you only want to screw it down about halfway. Leave a little bit of air, because that allows air to suck in through this aromatherapy canister. And to really, really maximize the sense of this, what you have to do is make sure all the air controls are closed, right? Close this. Have that cap, the aromatherapy half on, and then you turn on the jets. So now that one canister spot is the only spot that air is being sucked into and mixing with the airline inside the tub. So it creates a much stronger experience when you put that half on and you close the other air controls. And that slowly releases a nice scent, gives you a little bit of aromatherapy smell, and really adds to your hot tub experience. Okay, so now we're going to talk a little bit about the filtration and how to change your filters. So your Canadian Spa Company hot tub will have one of these filter tops, which will have two screws here at the top. You unscrew them by hand. And make sure you don't lose these. Off the side, you take the top off. And inside of here, this is where you normally keep your filters. So the first part of the filtration is the pre-filter screen. And what this does is it's sort of like a coffee screen, helps to prevent a lot of the smaller debris and things from entering into the system. So when you're replacing or changing it, you pull this off without having to dump anything inside, and you can dump the debris off to the side. And your filters. So we're going to remove these two. These are just screwed in. You lift them up. As you can see, they've had a little bit of use here. So we're going to replace them here. These filters, see, they've got some debris already built up inside them, and this means that they're probably due to be changed. The tops and the bottoms have also sort of faded, and the inside here, the microban. So this is the silver ions in the tops and the bottoms to help to sanitize the water. And you have the blue microban protection to prevent bacteria buildup. So the main idea, meaning that your spa only runs filtration cycle for about 4 hours a day. So the other 20 hours, what happens to the filtration? How does your spa remain clean? These microban infused and silver ion embedded filters help to maintain your spa's cleanliness throughout the day, no matter if the filtration cycle is running or not. So for those 20 hours, your filters are doing a great job. So I'm just going to open up another set here. got your 2 filters. He also comes with 2 pre-filter screens. So we'll dispose these 2. And I want to take the plastic off first. As you can see, got a lot more vibrant blue color and blue microband and the silver ions in the tops and the bottom, because this one has been used too long. This one is the new one. So you'll screw those back in. So these filters, to maximize the efficiency out of the silver ions in the tops and the bottoms and the microband pleats, those last about every 3 to 4 months in terms of the maximum filtration and the maximum cleanliness, cleaning availability and sanitizing availability of the filters themselves. We actually have a prepaid filter subscription program, which will include the link below, which helps to send you out a new set of filters immediately as you need them. So every 4 months they'll send you out another package of filters. It's great savings. Actually end up getting 3 for the price of 2. We'd recommend it because you don't want to spend your time having to clean and spending your time cleaning your hot tub. You want to be able to use it. So when you get the new set, you can dispose of the old set, put the new set in, and not have to worry about having a dirty hot tub. So we'll put the pre-filter screen back in. All right, now we're going to put the filter lid back on. Put your screws back in. And now you have clean filters to help to keep your water clean inside the tub. So the next thing we're going to talk about here are the lights. And the jet's on for an added effect here. The lights, there's about 12 different cycles, 12 different settings, from the solid colors all the way to the blinking and slowly fading colors. As you know, some models even have LEDs in the headrests, LED cup holders over here as well for ambience. There are the speakers, and if you want to look over here as well, you've even got outdoor lighting outside in the cabinet panels. So the idea of the lighting is to set the mood and change the whole color of the tub as well at the same time. Final thing we're going to talk about here is the audio. So some models have all these pop-up speakers, 2 speakers typically located along the front. Some of them have pop-up ones, some of them have built-in speakers. And these speakers, as you see, they're synced with the lights, and they're controlled by the audio control here at the top, along with the sliding door here, which has the 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable to plug into your favorite device. So you can plug this into your phone and your favorite tablet, your MP3 player, whatever it is, to play music. And what you'll want to do is you play music on your device. You want to turn on your amplifier. See, there's a slight ring, a slight color that's illuminated here. And you can turn up your volume and turn down your volume with the volume control. So when this is connected, you'll be able to hear music out of the speakers as long as the audio control is turned on, the power is on, and the volume is on. All right, we're going to talk a little bit about the jets here. So we have multiple different styles of jets. There's the rotational and the directional style. And these jets are also adjustable and interchangeable as well. So the jets themselves can all be turned on and off by rotating the actual jet face itself. So as you see when I'm going to turn this one on, this jet here, I can turn it off or I can turn it back on. So if you maybe don't want as much pressure or want less pressure on your upper right back, you can adjust the individual jet to your liking. So each jet can also be turned on and off. When you first receive your tub, sometimes these jets might have shifted off, might have rotated off by through shipping. So just make sure you can go around and open the jet faces themselves to make sure that they're all on. The jets can also be interchanged. They're actually interchangeable too. So you can pop them out and you can swap, say, for this 5-inch style jet with any other 5-inch style jet inside the tub and really customize your seat. So this one right here is a spinner. It's rotational. It spins at the back. You can swap that with the directional, for example. Pop that back inside the tub here, and you can really interchange your hydrotherapy experience. So they're directional, rotational, adjustable, and interchangeable.